Woof woof, awesome dog lovers, and welcome back to Dog with Blog. I'm your host, Niharika, and today we are diving into the dinner dish dilemma, dry dog food, also known as kibble, versus wet dog food. Choosing the right food for our furry best friends can feel like navigating a jungle gym. We want them to be healthy, happy, and full of tail wags, but with so many options on the shelf, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Dry food, canned food, grain-free, with meat. The choices are endless. Fear not, pet parents. Today, we'll break down the key differences between dry and wet food, explore the pros and cons of each, and help you decide what might be the perfect fit for your pup. So, let's start with the OG-dry dog food, or kibble. This crunchy goodness is a convenient and shelf-stable option. It's easy to store, portion control, and even take on adventures with your pup. But beyond convenience, kibble offers some surprising benefits. Dental health. Chewing on kibble helps clean your dog's teeth and remove plaque, promoting good oral hygiene. Variety of formulas. Just like us, dogs have different needs at different stages of life. From puppy formulas packed for growth to senior blends supporting joint health, there's a kibble out there for every dog. Portion control. Dry dog food often comes in pre-measured portions, making it easier to manage your dog's weight, especially for those less active couch potatoes. Now, let's talk about wet dog food. This moisture-rich option is often more appealing to dogs with finicky palates. Imagine the excitement of opening a can of yummy stew compared to a bowl of kibble. Wet food also offers some distinct advantages. Hydration. For dogs who don't drink enough water, wet food can be a great way to increase their hydration levels. Palatability. Let's face it, wet food can be downright delicious for our furry friends. This can be helpful for dogs with low appetites or those recovering from illness. Nutrient delivery. Wet food can be a good source of essential nutrients, especially for senior dogs who may have difficulty chewing kibble. Sound of a dog slurping. Alright, so both dry and wet food have their perks. But what are some things to consider before making a decision? Your dog's age. Puppies need a different nutrient profile than adult dogs, and seniors may have specific dietary needs. Choose a food formulated for your dog's life stage. Breed. A Great Dane's nutritional needs are different from a Chihuahua's. Consider breed-specific factors when choosing food. Activity level. The ultimate frisbee champion needs a different fuel source than a cuddle monster. Choose a food that matches your dog's energy expenditure. Health conditions. If your dog has allergies or sensitivities, look for a limited ingredient food, whether dry or wet. Remember, consulting your veterinarian is always a good idea. They can help you assess your dog's individual needs and choose the food that best supports their health and well-being. Beyond the label, choosing wisely. Unlocking your dog's nutritional code. Choosing the perfect kibble. Every dog is unique, with individual dietary needs based on factors like age. Puppies are energetic bundles of fur, requiring a nutrient profile that supports their growth and development. Conversely, senior dogs might benefit from formulas promoting joint health and cognitive function. Breed. The nutritional needs of a Great Dane puppy differ significantly from those of a tiny Chihuahua. This guide goes beyond simply browsing online stores. For instance, giant breeds might require controlled growth formulas, while smaller breeds may need appropriately sized kibble to avoid choking hazards. Activity level. The ultimate frisbee champion needs a different fuel source than a cuddle monster. This guide surpasses online retailers by explaining how activity level influences protein content. Ensure your dog has the energy for adventures or maintains a healthy weight depending on their lifestyle. Health conditions. If your dog has allergies or sensitivities, a limited ingredient dry dog food might be the answer. This guide encourages consulting your veterinarian to identify potential allergens so you can navigate the vast array of options with confidence. While the label is vital, this guide empowers you to consider additional factors. Brand reputation. Research different dog food brands to understand their quality standards and commitment to using wholesome ingredients. Price. Premium brands may cost more, but they often use superior ingredients. This guide helps you find the right balance between quality and budget. Your dog's preferences. Their taste matters. Consider trying a small bag before committing to a larger one. A smooth transition. Switching to a new food. Changing your dog's dry dog food requires a gradual approach. Over 7 to 10 days, slowly mix increasing amounts of the new food with your dog's current food. Monitor their digestion and overall health during the transition. If they experience any digestive upset, slow down the transition process or consult your veterinarian. Remember, choosing the best dry dog food for your pup is an investment in their health and happiness. With this guide as your compass, you'll be a pro at deciphering labels, selecting high-quality ingredients, and finding the perfect food to fuel your furry best friend's adventures. Now go forth and conquer that kibble bowl, pup parents. The bottom line: there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to dry or wet food. The best choice depends on your dog's unique needs and preferences. Maybe you even consider a combination. Some pet parents choose to mix dry and wet food to offer their dogs the benefits of both. No matter what you choose, the most important thing is that your dog is getting the nutrients they need to live a long, happy, and healthy life. Thanks for joining us on Dog with Blog today. If you have any questions about dry food, wet food, or anything else dog related, leave a comment on our website, dogwithblog.in, or send us a message on social media. Until next time, happy tail wags.